What are some of the benefits of having a judge alone in a military court-martial? My name is Michael Waddington, and I'm a criminal defense attorney. One of the big benefits is judges are picked usually for their temperament. So bottom line is the judge can look at a case that would otherwise get people very emotional and all upset and angry and look at it very dispassionately and just apply the facts to the law. The problem with going with a judge alone is you have one person there, it's the judge. Some judges are more prosecution friendly than others. Some judges are more defense friendly. It really depends. We like to go judge alone in cases where it's a legal issue, especially if it's a legal issue that has a lot of drama going on in the background that the jury otherwise wouldn't know. Let's say some of the victims are very well-known liars or have all this drama going on in their background, and the jury might not get to hear that information. But you could take it in front of a judge and get that information in front of the judge, although the judge isn't supposed to consider that information if it's excluded. But once they hear it, you really can't unring the bell.